Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm very excited to bring you something a little bit more special. We've got a box in front of us, and as you can see, it's not being packed by like an official retailer of any sorts. This is something that I got from a private seller, and I'm very happy I got it. This is one of the reasons I love this community. It's been very kind to me. And what we have in here is, you probably already know when you saw the title, is a Andy Tower perfume. So, what is this? Maybe you can see it here. This is Nexin, number 98. So this is a numbered edition. It's a limited edition Tower perfume. And he has these handwritten cards. So apparently he's also sprayed it on here because I see some like residue. And it says 98 of 1000. I can already smell something. So this is a very nice looking white bottle of Tower perfume. It's got this white cap as well. It's making sure that it hasn't leaked. I don't know why I'm worried. I'm like very worried about it. But it seems like it's all good. And actually, there is some fluid coming out. Oh no, has it leaked? There's lots of fluid on here, inside the cap. On here as well. Deary me. Oh dear. I've got fluid all over my hands. This is all live. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully this was just during shipping. And hopefully this is nothing that affects like the integrity of the flask. Actually, the seal is very funny as well. There's lots of fluid, oh god. Maybe that's where these drops are coming from. There's some more drops here now. There's drops everywhere. It's very worrying. So he's already added some samples. Let's look at those real quick. Also extreme L'air du désert. L'air des Alpes Suisses. That's very nice of him. But I'm very worried. So let's just have a look how much. So there's some fluid as well here. God. Why would this happen? No. I'm so sad. Dear. So, where has this been leaking? Oh no. What am I gonna do? Well, this wasn't. Oh yeah, and the paint's coming off because it's leaked. Yeah, I'm not happy. Okay, it smells nice. Whatever I've got on my finger smells nice, but this wasn't what I had in mind. So yeah, this was 98. I don't know what to do. Yeah, this was not expected. I'm gonna have to investigate why it's been leaking. Anyways, yeah, there you go. Like from before the fall comes the happiness. I don't know. I'm like kind of thrown off now. Yeah, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna give you my first impressions anyways, because we'll do it live. Just gonna check if the sprayer works, I guess. Still. Okay, the sprayer works. That's one thing. And as you saw earlier, like the bottle was kind of like, when I unpacked it, it was kind of like half open. So what am I getting? I'm so thrown off. Like I'm completely yeah, confused. What am I gonna do now with this bottle? I hope that it won't just keep leaking and keep getting worse. I'm gonna have to check that later if it's just something that happened during shipping or if it's gonna get like worse and everything's gonna evaporate. Okay, on strip. On strip. This is very fresh and citrusy and clean. There's a slight nuttiness, like maybe vetiver. I'm getting something slightly earthy, woody, rooty, together with some gently sweet floral notes, something creamy, like slightly like hydrating lotion. So yeah, creamy, clean, fresh, woody, a bit earthy. Of course, the bottle color is suggesting a lot of the things that I'm trying to like discern now. It's very airy too. They say it's clean, but there's, I think, some very light, just a teeny tiny bit of indolic stuff coming through, but just a little bit. And there's this, yeah, this kind of green. I got it all over my fingers now. I'm smelling my fingers as well. This lightly green, kind of tart lemon, like bergamot or verbena, maybe something herbal, aromatic, but very delicate. To me, this smells very delicate. I mean, this is really pleasant. I like it. The only thing that's throwing me off is that the fact that it's leaked, and I don't like that. This is the first time I've had a bottle leak on me. I'm really genuinely hoping that that's just from being shook around in transit. Like you can see, like all these, drops everywhere, and on the packaging too. So there's a good amount that's left the bottle. I'm gonna have a look with a light now, because I know the level when I ordered it, the level was around here, so it was almost full. There's maybe like 1 or 2 milliliters gone from it, and I'm generally hoping that it's at least tight enough that everything won't evaporate if I store it, because I'm planning to keep it for a while. It's an extrait of Parfum. I didn't even know that. Yeah, so this was 98. I'll be careful that I don't lose more of the paint, because apparently it doesn't like having alcohol in it. It's nice on fingers. I have it all over my fingers. Yeah, there's this slightly buttery quality coming out. It's like slightly got like a cosmetic feel. It's like I'm really thinking of like hand cream. There's also rose. Yeah, like rose scented hand cream. It's nice though. It feels fresh and light. And there's a woodiness, that kind of keeps it from going overly floral. It's very pronounced tartness, like a fresh citrus. Very pleasant. So I'm gonna read the blurb on the website of Towers, because this is discontinued. You can't get this anymore. There was just 1,000 bottles being made. I got 98. Well, if there's anything left after a while, if it doesn't all evaporate. So it says, Nexin is a rich, vintage-inspired unisex classic for the connoisseur. Well, I'm not sure if I would call myself a connoisseur, but anyways. Introducing Nexin, a luxurious unisex fragrance that captures the essence of our connection with the cosmos and the stars, created by perfumer Andy Tauer. This scent was inspired by his fascination with the beauty of the night sky and the sense of awe and wonder it evokes. As you spritz Nexin, you'll be transported to a lush environment surrounded by mystery and majesty of the cosmos. Of the cosmos. The fragrance blends fresh citrus notes with rose oil, lemon blossom, and warm woods, creating a captivating and grounding scent. The depth and richness of ambergris, tonka, vetiver, and oak moss add to its sophistication and refinement. Nexin is the perfect fragrance for those who appreciate life's finer things, whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or simply indulging in a moment of luxury. This fragrance is sure to leave a lasting impression. Its development over a day is subtle yet alluring, making it a perfect addition to any collection. Close your eyes and let Nexin take you On a journey to the stars, embrace the beauty of the cosmos and bask in the richness and quality of this exceptional fragrance. For those who dream of adventure and seek out unique and high quality fragrances, Nexin is the perfect choice. It's important to note that Nexin is a limited edition fragrance, ensuring its exclusivity and uniqueness. Don't miss out on the chance, blah blah blah. Some of the naturals are natural essential oils of lemon, geranium, bergamot, and rose essential oil, molecular distilled vetiver oil. Okay, vetiver oak moss. Other notes include musks, ambergris, tonka, iris roots, orange blossom, airy wood notes, and with cedar and sandalwood. 50 ml extracted parfum. All right. With Nexin, Anitower connects his earlier works such as L'air du désert marocain with his newer creations such as Golistan and Sundowner, and celebrates his almost 20 years of perfume creation. Bridging the past and the present, Nexin is a reminder of the grandeur of perfume and connects you with the creative universe of Tower. Well, that's a lot of marketing. A little bit too much for my taste. I really like the smell. I really like it. It's just up my alley. I love all the florals in there. I love how it's blended with the vetiver and whatever ambergris accord he has. Like, that's in all his other fragrances. I love the naturals. It smells very, very quality. Like I said, it has this cosmetic, clean laundry type of feel, but it smells natural. It doesn't smell like detergent. It smells like, it truly smells like all the natural essences, which is awesome. All right, yeah. I wish this could have been a more positive experience overall, but this is full of fluid and everything. Like, this is concerning. As I don't know, this hasn't happened to me before. I don't know how to handle it. I'm gonna have to check if it keeps leaking or if this was just during shipping, and I'm gonna have to get back to the seller and see if it happened to him already, if it came like that, or if this happened now, and if this was just like being shook. It wasn't packed that well, to be honest. Like, I'm not super. Oops, sorry. You could see my laptop there. It wasn't like, it was just wedged in between here, so it could be like shaking this way and like, I don't know. Anyways, really nice. I really like it, first impressions, but worried about the leaking thing. All right. I guess that's part of the hobby when you buy stuff used, when you buy stuff secondhand, it can always happen. It's not the fault of the seller or anybody's. Just, sometimes it happens. I'll keep you updated, and thank you for watching. I hope, even though this was a more chaotic video, you still enjoyed it. You still got something out of it. Try this if you can. I don't like limited editions. I wish this was a regular release. I don't know why he decided to only do 1,000 bottles, but this could have easily been a regular release. It's very pleasant. It's very likable and very easy to wear. And I hope I'm gonna be able to save as much of this juice as possible to enjoy myself. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and we will see each other next time.